and low, calling daybreak calm and slow. Birdsong drifts across the sky, lifting gently, so do I. Golden air and echoes near, music whispers pure and clear. Every tone a guiding line, ties my heartbeat into time. Every sound the morning plays washes through my quiet haze. Voices blend both far and near, telling me the day is here. Morning